Hello and welcome back to my channel. Quick mobile upload. I'm at Linda's Van. That's the crossing over to Holy Island, the causeway. Yeah, these are the Dragon's Teeth. Just going to head up to a twin pillbox. I thought I'd show you this quick detail here. These loops coming out of the concrete, I believe they would have been for barbed wire between the two blocks. Well, between all the blocks, to be honest. So you can see the little loops on each block. So there've been barbed wire between the two and down there as well. Just with my partner. She's loving it, I've dragged her out. So yeah, anyway, let's go see the pillbox. So just heading to the pillbox, and on the cliff here is a trench system. It's quite hard to see on the camera. But yeah, there's definitely a trench system there. That's Holy Island over there in the distance. Got cars coming across the causeway. But yeah, this is, I did forget to mention, but it's in Northumberland, just next to Berwick-upon-Tweed. So as you can see in this part of the trench, you've got stacked up lumps of concrete to make a wall for the trench, to line the trench. But yeah, started to be filled in over the years now. You just get a bit of a better angle like this, and it zigzags around and goes over there. So about 200 feet from the trench on the cliff, you come across the two pillboxes. Very unusual design to run two together like this. Don't think I've seen it anywhere else. They must be connected from the inside somewhere, because I can't see no entrance from the front. Pretty clean in there. Oh no, it's not. Loads of rubbish. Anyway, let's try and find a way up through the back side of it. Without slipping. So there we go. That looks to be an entrance. I like the design of this one. You can see sandbags there. They will have been filled with concrete and placed there. So we'll climb down that in a second. And this is the second one. So you drop down there, go along a little bit, and it looks like you drop down some steps into the pillbox. Again, sandbags filled with concrete. I think I'm going to go down the other one. I'll see you when I get inside. So here we are inside, that's the entrance. The sandbagged in the entranceway there leads onto a few steps and along, down a few more steps. Very muddy there. It does look like both of the pillboxes are connected, so potentially you've got an escape and an entrance, instead of one way in, one way out for each pillbox. Got a choice of two. Here we are inside. Can't see no graffiti on the wall. No modern graffiti and no wartime. I do like to see the wartime graffiti. What I've noticed in this one is they've come to the effort of sanding, smoothing it all down with concrete over the top of the actual concrete infill when they built it. So for some reason they smoothed it out. This is where the machine gun would have been mounted, probably a Vickers, and that's your view out of this pillbox. Looking, I'd say northeasterly. Also stinks in there. So, leading out of that one, going towards where the other pillbox is. That must be the entrance to the other. Looks like you've got some sort of drainage system down there. Looks like water's still coming in from there. And also there. Oh, wet feet. Love wet feet. And this one, you can see the mounting block is intact. So it gives you a better idea of where the gun would have been mounted. That view is partially blocked. But yeah, very interesting design. Also rendered the walls off in here. Don't know why they've done that. I wonder if it was permanently manned, was this one. But yeah, so heading back out now. Nothing really to show you. But yeah, I'll see you when I get outside. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick video. As I say at the beginning, just a quick mobile upload. So yeah, just thought I'd pop along and show you this one while I'm in the area. But thank you for watching, and I shall see you all again soon. Bye for now.